In the shadowy depths of the ocean, a creature roams with silent precision, cloaked in an armored shell that has weathered the eons. This is the crab, a relentless survivor, its pincers poised like the jaws of fate, ready to strike with swift, calculated force. Its legs, splayed wide, navigate the rugged terrain of the seabed with an unyielding determination, a testament to its resilience in an unforgiving world. Crabs are nature's tacticians, masters of camouflage, lurking in crevices and blending with the sands, awaiting the perfect moment to snatch their prey. Each movement, deliberate and deadly, speaks to an ancient legacy, a battle-hardened existence shaped by survival. These creatures, often overlooked in their scuttling silence, command the tides, embodying the ruthless beauty of the ocean's eternal struggle for